right, guys, we are currently in the Sheraton Puerto Rico. Okay, this is the one in front of the convention center. We're already in the room, and this is what the room looks like, guys. So this is the view that you get from this room. We're in the 5th floor. We got a sofa, a nice king-size bed, a beautiful woman who is very tired, and nice TV, nice area to sit at, nice mirror.
Oh, and this hotel has a really nice feature. I can change the channel.
Then you also have a nice bathroom, and it has local art. Looks really cool. So that's that, but this has an infinity pool, so we're gonna go check that out right now. So come with me so we can go check it out. All right, so this is the rooftop, and we're about to see the wonderful pool. So you have a smaller one there, and then here's the infinity one. Water's a bit cold, but once you get in, you get used to it. You'll be just fine. This is really nice, guys. All right, so we are outside the district of T-Mobile district. And it's so nice. Check this out, guys. There's my lovely wife. And we are going to a restaurant called La Central by Chef Mario Pagan. Is he my family member? No, he's not my family member. Maybe he is, who knows? I don't know. But it's pretty cool. And I hear it's really good. So let's go check it out. All right, so we're here at La Central. Beautiful restaurant, very nice date night vibes for sure. Check it out, guys.
It smells very Texas-y in here.
Yeah, so they're very meat oriented. They cook their meat with charcoal, so it gives it that authentic steak taste, and I can't wait. I ordered picanha with rice, and I added shrimps to it. My plate's probably going to be $60–70 already. It's a pricey place, and it really is, but I'm excited. I'm thinking that this is an amazing place, so let's see what happens. What did you order?
I ordered a Cobb salad with shrimp on the side.
Cobb salad with shrimp on the side. Now, it brings meat, and they told her, you know, you're gonna get the meat anyways, you're gonna have to get it, you can't change the pricing on it or anything. And she says, it's fine, just don't give me the meat. I'll take the meat. I told the waiter, I'll take the meat since you're gonna charge me for it, I'm gonna take it too, and I'm gonna eat it. Oh, but for appetizer, we got like a tuna, some tuna thing, and we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out what it is.
Yeah, he said it has like crispy parts to it. There's avocado on top.
Apples.
So we're gonna try it out.
So we have some special bread here.
It's their own bread de la casa. It's nice and warm and soft. And this is their special butter.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try it. It's phenomenal. Wow. That bread is amazing. It's like a sweet bread.
Dip it in here.
I love it already. We have the tuna tartare. It has avocado, apples. These are some chips that we're gonna use. Let's try it. It's good. Really good. Get out, I got my picanha, shrimp, steak on the side that she didn't want.
Look at that.
Rice, egg. How is it?
Oh, it's really good.
Yeah.
And this is just a salad. So good.
I'm gonna try my rice. And it's like pegado, you know, like pegadito. It's interesting.
It's called con.
Mmm. This is amazing. Pegadito. Try the picanha. Bro, this is amazing. This is amazing. The steak is amazing. It has a rich flavor. Oh my goodness. This is amazing, guys. Amazing restaurant. You guys gotta come here. Here's the shrimp. This is amazing, guys. Let me try her steak that she didn't want. It's good too. It's amazing. This is a parcha sorbet, which is on the house in order to prepare you for dessert.
That's really sour.
It's sour?
Really sour, yeah.
Let's try it, let's try it. It's phenomenal. It's passion fruit, parcha.
No,
It's amazing.
It's really sour for me.
Parcha is a little sour. It's citric. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So good. Oh, and it even has the seeds crushed in there. Amazing, guys. I love this place. This is a chocolate rum cake. Here's the actual rum. You can put it on, right? Little sprinkles of it. So, and this is coconut.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
This is really good.
Wow.
This is phenomenal, guys.
This is the cake I want for my birthday.
Guys, the restaurant, La Central, was amazing, guys. It was just amazing. Dinner came out to $162. The service was absolutely spectacular. So I tipped the guy 22%. He absolutely deserved it. He did a great job. And I am very, very happy with everything. We're right in front of Coca-Cola Music Hall. You can walk all around this, guys. Very nice place to chill, have a good time, and just simply relax.